Jimmy Macklin, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
Yo, Macklin, tell me why you're slacking on the field, looking like you're napping. This year you've been doing things all wrong. I've run better routes on my own front lawn.
Yo, Macklin, why be passing? T-shirts going deep while you're sitting there slacking. Macklin, slacking like your mom's vagina. She's big like you and all the corner slime hat.
Yo, Macklin, is this beat distracting? Check out the points me and Mike are stacking.
Yo, Macklin, your skills are lacking. Check out the points me and AP stack.
Week 1, dropping balls like it had hurts on it. Matty Ice tear your team up, hurts, don't it? Week 2, 49 are red and gold. Fourth quarter screen past the ball you couldn't hold.
I think he might be part of some great scheme to kill and destroy Justin's fantasy team. I mean, who is number 18? The one who crushes fantasy's dreams.
JD drafted you like a fool, man. Makes sense given he's a Bucks fan. Irrelevant since John Gruden. I mean, then you won't win with Josh Freeman. Now let's break it down for Sunday.
Gather round, ladies, gents, and watch the players play.
Reed is watching Vic while Reed is calling plays.
If Reed could still kick, he'd be in Pittsburgh today.
Merry men and all his merry men gang tackled Macklin till the very end. They hit him hard to make him stumble until he got knocked out and had the game losing fumble.
Yo, Macklin, is this beat distracting? Check out the points me and Mike are stacking.
Yo, Macklin, your skills are lacking. Check out the points me and AP stack.
Maybe you should slap some Elmers on your hands, or maybe get flipped by a group of Philly fans. I see Coach Reed acting mighty phased. Donuts glazed, potato chip lays.